Are you one of those people who delete messages as soon as you've read them on Facebook Messenger? Well, you're not alone. A lot of people do that because they think it's the only way to keep their conversations clean and organized. But did you know that there's a better way to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive messages in Facebook Messenger so that you can keep your conversations without having to delete them. To get started, open up your Messenger application, and then when you are on this screen, simply tap and hold on any conversation and a menu will pop up. So, from this menu, simply tap on Archive. And now you have successfully archived that conversation. So let's do that to another chat. Simply tap and hold the conversation and tap on Archive. So this is a great way to keep your chat out of the way without actually deleting it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.